Hey, this is Mac with PriceActionTradingSystem.com, and I'm going to show you real quickly how to install a third-party indicator into your NinjaTrader charts. We offer several of our indicators that are free to our members, and people are always asking me how to install them. So here's your video on exactly how to do it. First, you have to go into your control panel here, which is your main panel, and it has all your your options up here across the top of the screen. Click on Tools, and you want to go to Import, and you want to NinjaScript add-on. So let's do that again. Just Tools, Import, NinjaScript add-on. And that will pop up a file. It took a minute. And just find your, this is what we would be installing. I've already installed it, so I won't click on it again. But you would just, well, let's just see if it'll, you open it. And it says it already exists on mine. Would you like to replace it? Yours will probably just say, would you like to install it? And just say yes. You can see an hourglass in there. I don't know why it's taking so long. And there it is. It says imported, contained in the NinjaScript. It says it's successfully imported. So just click on OK. Then we'll want to go to our chart. And here we are with our chart now. And what we want to do is click on our indicators and add it to our chart. So just click on your indicators. And you can see I already have a couple of our custom tools in here, but let's go find the news one we're wanting to install. News Econ 2C, that's it. Click on it. Click Add. And there it is. It put it in there. It's highlighted so you can see all the options over here. I like to change a few of my options on the properties. I like to make my high priority red. I like to make my background white, and I like my header color to be like a dark blue or something. Let's apply that and see what we get. And you can see it pop up here. We can get rid of this header here. Let's find that. Go down here and look for, it's called label. There it is right there. Just highlight that and delete, and then apply that. And you can see that cleaned it up. Now all you will see in here will be our news events list. And there's nothing today, so there's nothing coming up. But that's how you install it, and change some of the properties if you want. Let's just look at some of these others. Updates every 12 hours. Of course, we only want our high. We get a notification 15 minutes prior. It'll show it for, I like for mine to stay on there, so I'm going to put, well, we'll just leave that for now. If you want to stay on there, you can change that. We'll leave that as it is for now. I'll play around with that some more. But we'll just apply that. Hit OK. And what I like to do also is save that to my default template, and that way it'll automatically load every time I load a template. We'll just save as default. And there it is. So anytime I load a new template, it'll automatically load up all my rules and stuff. And so anyway, hope that's helpful. That's how you install a third-party indicator. Again, please don't contact me for support on those. I offer them as a courtesy to everybody. And it's not that I don't want to help people install it. I just simply don't have the time. If I tried to help everybody that wanted to install indicators, I'd be doing that full time. You got this video to help you. If you still have issues, contact NinjaTrader for support. They got a support, and they've got a video library that has videos on how to do all of this. So I'm just kind of reinventing the wheel here, so to speak. You can go to the NinjaTrader site and see it all, and they do a very good job with their videos, all very clear and easy to understand, easy to follow. So go to their NT8 video library. If you don't know where that is, just search for it. It'll pop up, and you can find a video on how to do anything you want to do on these charts, anything. So it's very helpful, very good stuff. But I hope that's helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and good luck with using these indicators.